Mathematical problem solutions of standard 4. Question number 1a. 876 hundredths is equal to dash thousands dash hundreds. Answer: 876 hundredths is equal to 876 into 100 is 87,600. To convert to thousands, divide by 1000. 87,600 divided by 1000 is 87 with a remainder of 600. So 876 hundredths is equal to 87,600. Question number 1b. Product of a number and 1 is the dash. Answer: the product of any number and 1 is the number itself. Question number C. 500 into 8. Answer: 500 into 8 is equal to 4000. Question number D. 1 hour is dash minutes. 24 hours is dash days. Answer: 1 hour is 60 minutes. There are 24 hours in a day. So 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Question number 2a. 8 years 9 months is equal to dash months. Answer: 1 year is 12 months. 8 years is 8 into 12, 96 months. Total months 96 plus 9 is 105 months. Question number B. 625 minutes is equal to dash hours dash minutes. Answer: 1 hour is 60 minutes. Divide 625 by 60 is equal to 10 with a remainder of 25. So 625 minutes is 10 hours 25 minutes. Question number C. Multiply 797 into 2. The answer is 1594. Question number D. Subtract 6899 minus 2303. Answer is 4596. Question number 3a. Tapon collected 240 mangoes and filled them into 8 baskets. If he puts an equal number of mangoes in each basket, how many mangoes will be in each basket? Answer: total mangoes 240, number of baskets 8. Mangoes per basket 240 divided by 8 is 30. So there will be 30 mangoes in each basket. Question number B. 8 weeks 4 days is how many days? Answer: 1 week is 7 days. 8 weeks is 8 into 7, 56 days. Total days 56 plus 4, 60 days. Question number C. Form the largest and smallest numbers with the digits 2509 and find their difference. Answer. Largest number 9520, smallest number 2059. Difference 9520 minus 2059 is 7461. Question number D. A division problem has a divisor of 18, a quotient of 25, and a remainder of 15. What is the dividend? Dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. 18 into 25 plus 15. 450 plus 15. 465. Question number 4A. Mithi went to Howrah station at 7:20 p.m. The train from there departed at 8:15 p.m. How many minutes did Mithi had to wait for the train? Answer. Arrival time 7:20 p.m. Departure time 8:15 p.m. From 7:20 p.m. to 8 p.m. 60 minus 20 is 40 minutes. From 8 p.m. to 8:15 p.m. 15 minutes. Total waiting time 40 plus 15 is 55 minutes. Mithi had to wait for 55 minutes. Question number B. Samia, Sudipta and Devashish are three friends. Sudipta is 2 years older than Samia. Devashish is 4 years younger than Samia. If Samia's age is 10 years, 4 months, 18 days, what are Sudipta's and Devashish's age? Answer. Samia's age 10 years, 4 months, 18 days. Sudipta's age. Samia's age plus 2 years. 10 years plus 2 years is 12 years. So Sudipta's age is 12 years, 4 months, 18 days. Devashish's age. Samia's age minus 4 years. 10 years minus 4 years is 6 years. So Devashish's age is 6 years, 4 months, 18 days. Thank you.